and thank you for joining us. I'm Tierney Becker, coming to you from my hometown in San Francisco. Our Carolina Insider team is spread out across the country because of the COVID-19 pandemic, but we'll continue to bring you shows from our homes for the rest of the semester. We begin today with an update on how the coronavirus is affecting folks back in South Carolina. According to DHEC, as of Monday, April 13th, more than 3,000 South Carolinians have tested positive for COVID-19, and almost 90 have died. The most cases in the state are in Kershaw, Lee, and Richland counties, home to many Gamecocks. According to this map provided by the DHEC website, Richland County is home to 524 total cases and 10 deaths. The map explains the amount of tests given out in each county and how many are positive or negative for the virus. As COVID-19 continues to affect students from the University of South Carolina, some upper division nursing students are taking this opportunity for hands-on experience. Underclassmen nursing students received an email about where to apply for local hospitals who need help. Junior Aliana Humphreys was accepted to volunteer her time at Prisma Health.
I don't think we're going to get those clinical hours back that we're missing, and that's really going to contribute to how we grow as nursing students, and that could potentially be a huge problem.
The university has decreased the amount of clinical hours they require for their students, the catch being that these volunteer hours do not count towards the 192 hours needed for graduations. Students like Humphreys are taking this time to help local health professionals without anything in return. The students who were accepted have to sign a liability form before arriving at the hospital. Another group of students are taking matters into their own hands to help others. For today's Cocky Spotlight, we hear from our own Caleb Gilbert, who is joining us from Greek Village on the university's campus. Caleb?
Thanks, Tierney. I'm here at the Kappa Alpha fraternity house where their members have started a GoFundMe for an employee at the house who has lost a steady income due to the coronavirus. Alberta Garcia is a cleaner at the house, and members of the fraternity say she puts a smile on everyone's faces. So far, the fraternity has raised close to $4,000. The fraternity's original goal for donations was at $1,000, but this was met within an hour of the posting. Garcia is a single mother of 3 and works to provide for her family. Kappa Alpha President JT Isgett said that she is a part of the fraternity's family and that she's a deserving woman. Garcia says she was blown away and speechless when she was presented a check by the members of the fraternity. For Carolina Insider, I'm Caleb Gilbert.
Thanks, Caleb. We turn now to shopping and the special precautions being put in place for essential employees and customers in stores around Columbia. Our own Christina Holmes is an employee at one popular store and never thought she would be in this situation.
This Target on Sunset Boulevard has turned into a ghost town amid the COVID-19 outbreak. The company has upped the sanitation measures to minimize on germs, starting with gloves, paper towels, and disinfectant spray. Employees are instructed to sanitize anything a guest may touch every 30 minutes. Shelves are bare and hours have temporarily changed. There are signs displayed everywhere reminding guests about social distancing and even an audio reminder.
Our first priority is the health of you, your families, and our team members.
Guests are enduring the limitations that the store has implemented, but it's been a challenge nonetheless. Frequent Target shopper Kiana Thomas understands what the company is doing to keep everyone safe, but says it's been a huge inconvenience.
Okay, we don't have any tissue, we don't have any of the necessities, so it's kind of a little frustrating for the greedy people to be doing that, but, I get it. Pandemic, people are in an uproar.
These employees that are deemed to be essentials have been working their hardest during this tough time. The company will continue to take any measures needed to ensure the health of their employees and guests. For Carolina Insider, I'm Christina Holmes.
As many of you have gone home, you may not have seen that the iconic Columbia restaurant has shut its doors. When Governor McMaster ordered all restaurants to shut their dining rooms, yesterday's owners decided to end their carryout service as well. According to the state newspaper, they thought it was necessary to keep their employees safe. But now, the famous laid-back dive has realized that their future may be uncertain. Yesterday's has sat in the heart of 5 Points since they first opened their doors in 1978, but now it might be closing down for good. The Lovable Tavern will continue to stay in the hearts of locals, the memories from all over the community living on. Speaking of memories, the university is holding 31 days of memories throughout the month of May. On the sc.edu website, you can search Class of 2020 Memories to share one of your favorite memories on campus. You can include a picture or document so that others can also share the memory with you. The university has taken this initiative to make up for the seniors' final walk down the horseshoe or final view of William Bryce Stadium. That's it for this edition of Carolina Insider, a student production from the School of Journalism and Mass Communication. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you soon. Stay safe, Gamecocks.